Some of the options we have using the rear navigation seat, we can jump between the chart, the radar, even using a split screen mode by showing the radar and the chart plotter. Now remember, when we're ever in this mode, we do not want to adjust or change anything on the radar, because that'll be the function of the navigator at the front seat. The person in the rear navigation seat will simply be observing and letting the coxswain know if there's any potential dangerous situations, as we're seeing the picture. You can change the focus between the radar and the chart plotter. When we're in the chart plotter, we can actually range in and range out. We do not want to adjust or change anything on the radar. We simply observe that, because that will actually change what the navigator is seeing on the front seat. So when we are in here, we can range in and range out using the chart plotter, which is not going to change anything on the front seat. When we're in the main home screen, we can also choose the fish finder option. This screen allows us a number of different ways when we're looking for things on the bottom of the lake. The standard blue screen here just shows us what's directly below the boat. By choosing the menu button, we can actually choose which sonar we're looking at. We can look in our down vision, which sees a little bit clearer mode. Another option we have is our 3D vision, which will start tracking and mapping out the bottom of the lake. As the boat moves over and builds the bottom, it'll actually create a 3D picture showing us where we have been, where we're going. While sitting in the rear navigation seat, we have the option to use the FLIR camera and to adjust it as well. Simply select the FLIR option. While in any of the screens, the helm or the rear navigation seat can jump into any of the different applications on the home screens. For instance, on this particular one, we'll have the chart, the radar, and the FLIR camera all up in one. You can change the focus by simply touching the screen, or simply pressing the active button and toggle through the different screens. We want to make sure that when we are on here and we do see the radar, that we do not touch or adjust any radar. That is solely for the operation of the navigator.